Many years of research have gone into this topic. This rusty nail is from a place called Inchtuthil in Scotland, which was once the site of a Roman fortress. The location was a production hub for these nails, which were used in construction. Iron at that time was considered so valuable that when the Romans decided to leave the fortress, they buried over 1 million nails in a 5-metre deep pit, which they covered with earth in a successful attempt to prevent the nails from falling into the hands of the local Pictish tribes, who could have turned them into arrowheads to fire back at the Roman legion. The nails lay undiscovered until the 1950s, when the fortress was excavated and the hoard uncovered. The composition of these nails was found to be close to a carbon steel, an analogue for what we might use for radioactive waste containers. It was discovered that although the nails on the outside of the hoard had rusted, as you would expect, those on the inside layer had been protected and were almost pristine. There are two reasons for this. First, when the nails on the outside layer rusted, they formed a crust, which limited the amount of water that reached the inner layers of nails. Second, the process of rusting consumed oxygen from the inside part of this deposit of nails, and oxygen is a prerequisite for rusting. And that's why this 2,000-year-old nail is almost pristine, and shows that in a GDF, if we limit the flow of water and the amount of oxygen, which are the conditions that we will have in the facility, then the containers, which are carbon steel, should last for thousands of years. The nail itself is now enclosed in a clear resin to stop it corroding further.